Shower, this is an emergency light. It is supposed to work, but it works for, and you see what happens? Look here. Look here. Look, this capacitor here exploded, and the battery also is gone there. Let's try to see if we can fix it or not, but I don't know. So this is the switch, and it's gone also, the switch, and I was able to read the capacitor that was, like you see, all gone, and it's 100 micron 16 volts. The plan is put this 100 microvolts 50 volts. That may be better, because I don't know, I don't want to read the voltage there. Just want to see how much is that and check if it works. I don't want to bother for these crappy things here. So let's see. And it's working. Well, not the best repair in terms of aesthetics, because I have to change the LED, and I don't want to replace the LED on the PCB. It's faster to use those LED that I have from an old LED lamp, and so I just replaced the component that finally was the capacitor, the transistor, and one resistor, and this LED here, and some glue. And you see, as soon as I detach this, it starts, and okay, went back off when plugged in.